Good evening, everybody. Penny Stock Whispers here, doing a stock chart and video analysis of GLDG, the Golden Global Corporated. Last trading day was Tuesday, March 25th. We saw a previous close of 0.004, and we closed up last at 0.0053. That was an increase of 32.5% on a volume of 9,116,150 shares. That was some phenomenal volume we had, and there was even potential for a lot more gains than that, considering we saw a low of 0.0027 and a high of, we closed at that 0.0053. So all in all, GLDG had a really great day on Tuesday, and it's only starting to look better from here. All of our indicators are looking really nice here, some very bullish ones going on. So I want to go over those with you. We're going to start with the 14-day RSI. It's at 64.27. This is a prime place to be. We are on the rise, and we are between the 70 and 50, right in that buy zone, right where everyone wants to be buying and loading up here on GLDG. And it's showing a lot of strength here. We've seen these higher lows recently, showing that uptrend there. It's been gaining strength over a period of time, and it's not just one big push all of a sudden. So 14-day RSI is looking fantastic. Down here on the daily charts, we can see something pretty awesome happening as well. You can see that our volume has been up huge here lately. And that's always a really good sign, in my opinion. We do have our crossovers here. We had several crossovers all at once here. We did have the 12-day EMA crossing up above both the 26-day and the 50-day moving average. I also really do like how our moving averages, the two big ones, the 200 and the 50-day moving average, that's the red and the blue line, are coming closer and closer together here. So that's always a good sign, and that's a very good thing to see. I also did like how we closed far above all of these other, all these previous highs that we had here. That's a nice strong sign showing that we've really tried to move that support upwards a little bit here. So that's looking really good to me. We do have some strong support where we were at as well. We have our moving averages acting as our support lines here, and it does look like our parabolic SAR, these little golden dots, are underneath our candlesticks. That's a bullish indicator as well. Let's move on past that one. The MACD line is looking really good. We have been above our signal line for quite some time now. We dipped down but bounced off of it and continuing to show strength. You can see that we are tipped up again with this little renewed strength, showing that this is really starting to move again really strongly. The TRIX lines here both are looking fantastic, both short-term and long-term. Both of them are far above their signal lines and continuing to grow. That's a very good thing to see. The the bullishness on these indicators are just endless here. Slow stochastics as well is looking nice. We are above the 80. We came back down a little bit here. We're at 84.85 right now, just below our signal line. Just a little bit more of a push here. I think we could see a crossover on that as well. The CCI 20 days at 101.21. We are right above that 100 line. And this is after we came and consolidated a little bit here. We bounced off of that perfect buy zone and moved on up here, so that's always a good thing to see. It's very bullish. The stochastic RSI is looking really nice here. We did see our signal line, or not signal line, my apologies, the 14-day moving average, this blue line, crossed over that 0.5 and not too long ago. That was a good thing to see, and to see it dip back down, consolidating before moving upwards again is also a really nice thing to see. It's showing us this is, seeing those higher lows. That's the definition of an uptrend, and everything's just really looking good here for the stochastic RSI. We also have our check and money flow here. This is the green and red ones here. This is something that is really good for the future of GLDG. We have been underneath that zero for a long time here, and it has taken us a long time to get out of this red. You can see that it's been fighting this for a while. It's been gaining and gaining that strength. The lows are getting higher and higher, and finally we've switched over that in the near past, and we've really tacked on some strong strength here as well. At the 0.334 area, check and money flow looking nice and bullish. You can also see our ADX line here is about to make that critical divergence with that positive DI finally crossing over that negative DI here any moment now. That's signaling an uptrend that GLDG has just entered that uptrend. Furthermore, the ADX line itself is at 35.4, letting us know that this is still relative. We do need to keep an eye on how it's declining, though. I like to see this start to slow down and level out, and hopefully may move upwards as well, really just gaining that strength in the ADX. But that crossover and the relevance is looking really nice on that. PVO bounced off of the signal line not too long ago, and actually that probably happened today or yesterday, and it's upwards of 36.8, and everything's looking good here as well, nice and strong above the zero line, above the signal line. Much like the MACD, this one's looking really strong. Our money flow index, if I can get the mouse over there, is at 68.66. That's above the 50 but below the 80. We all know that's a prime place to be. We have been moving upwards as well, so this is looking fantastic, nice and strong. As we come to the end of our charts, you can see the accumulation distribution chart has had a rough time. We had this big dip right here. This really screwed a lot of our things all at once, you can see that it moved our PVO down quite a bit. Our price took a big hit from that as well, and it's just slowly been tapering off ever since then. And we've made this nice move up and this nice climb with this especially strong spike here on Tuesday, where we saw that massive volume coming in. So GLDG is starting to make a strong recovery here and starting to move upwards of where it's at now, and I think it's only the beginning. GLDG had a lot of accumulation today, so people are going to want to see this ride out for a while. All of our indicators are looking bullish. We have nice long-term trends here and some very nice short-term gains as well that it could be possible. GLDG just looks fantastic, so I recommend you guys take a look at it. And if you have any more questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I'd like to answer any of the questions you have. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, if you want some more information on GLDG and some of our other stocks, you can always go over to our website, www.pennystock.whispers.com, enter your email address here, and we'd be happy to send you some more information about GLDG and anything else that we happen to be looking at the same time. Also, if you're on the go, don't forget to get the Penny Stock Whispers phone app. This is a great way to keep in touch and get some more information while you're on the go. Really nice app. Everyone seems to like it. Lots of downloads on this thing, so check it out, everybody. Hope you have a great day. Good luck trading, and we'll see you again real soon.